Hello, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, like last week, I'm still at my son's place, and today we're going to make carbonara, and he's going to tell you the reason why.
So I run a YouTube channel called Carberra. That's how my mum kind of found out about YouTube, really. And then she decided to make a channel of her own, and we've decided to do a little bit of a collaboration.
That's the word, collaboration.
Yeah, she's still learning all the new terms. But yeah, essentially carbonara sounds like Carberra. It's been a thing that I've been kind of feeling like doing for a while now, even before she did it. And this is just the perfect opportunity to do that, really. So here we are.
Here we are. So this is a vegetarian carbonara because we are both vegetarian. Ethan's been vegetarian all his life.
Yes.
Me since I was about 21, so not too many years ago. So we're going to start off. It's being made with courgettes, or if you're in the USA, zucchini. And you can grate that, Ethan.
Thank you. Flying everywhere.
We also need to chop a garlic, so I'll do that while he's grating.
There you go. That's most that can just sit on the side, I suppose. Smell like garlic for me.
No, it's going to be nice and strong.
Yeah.
Right, let me just finish chopping this. You need to chop it quite finely. Yeah, I think we only need one garlic clove. The smell of this.
Shall I get rid of the cheese grater? Whoa.
Oh, look at that. That's lovely. So now you've grated that, I have more grating for you.
Oh, great.
So we've got about that much zucchini. Oh, that does look nice. Zucchini, I'm calling it zucchini. Courgettes, I'm English. Get these little bits off the worktop, Ethan.
There's on the floor over there if you want to pick them up as well. But...
So here we have pecorino. Cheese.
She's been saying it like that all day.
Pecorino.
Literally all day.
So if you could grate this on this smaller side, please.
Okie dokie.
I don't quite
all
know
of it?
how much. No, not all of it. Get down to about half and we'll see where that goes. And I have got a pan of water at the back for the pasta, so I'm just going to turn that on.
Yeah, when you said not quite the whole thing,
Let's have that.
starting to think you might need.
That's probably enough.
Yeah, that's probably enough.
So now we need to do the egg mixture. So we're going to use 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. Do you know how to separate your yolks from your whites?
I think so. I haven't done it in a while, but you did teach me a good number of years ago. So
let's see if it works. Should never do this on camera.
You basically just keep interchanging between the two shells, don't you?
I do.
And that just magically works.
And that's it. So that's 1 egg yolk.
Hey. Good start, good start. That was quite substantially more violent that time.
Well, that's because I've got a great big bit there and a little tiny bit there. So you couldn't go like that. It doesn't matter how that's smashed. I had to get the other one perfectly in half for it to work.
Yeah, I actually learned something.
Yay.
Who would have thought it?
So these can be just whipped up. And we need some salt. And a lot of black pepper. And I just need a spoon to put some cheese in. So put most of the cheese in, but we need to leave a little bit to be sprinkled on the pasta when it's all cooked. There.
Yeah, welcome to my terrible oven, by the way. This is fun to work with. It's actually a replacement in that it's worse than the other one that we had. So that's always good.
So into the pan needs to go some olive oil. Be generous with this. Olive oil is good for you.
There's also a brand new pan, so...
Yeah, and it's got a dot in it.
Yeah, it's got like a temperature thing. I have no idea how that works.
No one's got any idea how it works. If anyone's got any idea how that dot works, put it in the comments. I think it's supposed to change colour, but the thing is, it was the colour that it said it was going to change to, so...
Yeah.
We'll see. Into this we're going to put the garlic. It's obviously not that part, but it doesn't matter. It will get there. So while we're waiting for that to heat up, I'm going to put the spaghetti in this pan because this is boiling now. So just cook the pasta just under what you would normally do, because once it's cooked in there it's going to go in here. Oh look, this garlic's doing now. So once the garlic has infused into the olive oil, we're going to put all the courgette in the pan.
Very satisfying noise.
Okay, so this needs to just fry off until the spaghetti's ready, really, which is something you can do, Ethan. This is boiling now, so you can put the timer on for about 9 minutes. It does sound nice, though, doesn't it?
It does. It does sound very nice.
There, we'll just leave that to cook. Oh, the garlic bread in the oven. that was the oven exploding. I've got to give you a new one now. I'm going to put the pasta in. Now what we need to do before put the egg in is turn the heat off. We don't want any scrambled eggs. At this point, don't throw the pasta water away because you might need it. You need to keep, I can get the ladle out. You need to keep moisture in here to make the sauce. I'll put that much in for now. Right, make sure the pan has cooled down. We can always put heat on underneath if it's not hot enough, but if the egg goes in and it scrambles, actually what I might do is just try a tiny bit to make sure it's not going to scramble. Right, that's fine. So you want to pour that in for me?
Sure.
And I can keep stirring as you're pouring. So keep stirring at this point because we want a sauce. We don't want scrambled egg. So we just want the egg to thicken and the cheese to melt. That's all that's happening here. Right, if I put this back on the heat, Ethan, just to melt the cheese, if you can add some more black pepper while I keep stirring, because I don't want to stop stirring. I don't want to scrambled egg. So all we need now, this is done. And we just need to plate it up. So here it is, all served up. Bon appetit! It is nice.
Yeah, that is.
If you would like to see more recipes like this, please don't forget to subscribe.